Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best hardwire kit is probably one of the most essential accessories for your dash cam, offering a seamless and reliable power source. This kit allows you to hardwire your dash cam directly into your vehicle's fuse box, providing continuous power even when the engine is off. This ensures that your dash cam can record important events, such as accidents or vandalism, while your car is parked. Let's dive in and see what makes this kit a must-have for any dash cam user. Number 5. Rexing Hardwire Kit for V1, V1P, Wi-Fi, V3, S1 dash cams. This is the Rexing Smart Hardwire Kit, designed to provide continuous power to your dash cam. It's compatible with various Rexing models, ensuring your camera is always recording. The kit works with Rexing supercapacitor models, including V1-4K, V1P, V3, S1 series, and more. It's the perfect solution for those who want to hardwire their dash cam. It accepts DC 12V, 24V input and provides a stable 5V, 1.5A output via a mini USB port. This ensures your dash cam receives the correct power. The kit includes low voltage protection at 11.4V, safeguarding your car's battery. This feature prevents the kit from draining the battery. The kit comes with a 13-foot cable and a 15A mini-type fuse. You can easily connect it to your car's fuse box for a clean and reliable power supply. Please note that this smart hardwire kit is not compatible with Rexing battery models like V1 Basic, M1, M1 Pro, M2, V2, and V360. Make sure it suits your model. What we like. This hardwire kit is designed specifically for Rexing dash cams, ensuring seamless compatibility. It offers low voltage protection, preventing battery drain. If you own a Rexing dash cam and want a reliable, brand-specific hardwire solution, this is the one for you. What people say. I like the fact I can choose to turn off the loop recording, which turns it into GoPro-like functionality for recording the entire length of a drive when I want this option, otherwise it stays in a 3-minute loop recording. Comes with everything needed to permanently install the camera, plus was very easy to install. The cord is tucked up in a headliner and goes across the windshield to the driver's side A pillar, then down to the fuse panel located behind the end cap on the dashboard. Number 4. Plozoe Dash Cam Hardwire Kit. This hardwire kit provides a stable power supply for your dash cam. It avoids issues like restarting and high-temperature deformation. If you need a USB-C hardwire kit, please search for the specific ASIN. The kit includes a mini USB hardwire kit, a mini USB female to Type-C male adapter cable, an installing crowbar, and 4 fuse tap cables. It is designed to meet the needs of most car models. This kit connects to your car battery or fuse box for continuous power. It allows your dash cam to record for 24 hours, even when the car is off. The regulator cuts off power to protect your car battery. The mini USB hardwire kit has a built-in switching power supply module. It transforms 12V, 24V, to 5V and protects your devices against excessive current and overheating. This mini USB hardwire kit is suitable for most car models with a voltage between 12-24V. It works with most mini USB devices, such as dash cams, mirror cams, GPS navigators, and radar detectors. The hidden wiring keeps your car neat and tidy. It also frees up your cigarette lighter for other devices. Please read the quick guide carefully before use. What we like. This kit upgrades to a USB power supply for more stability. It provides 24-hour surveillance, keeping your dash cam powered even when parked. If you're looking for continuous recording and enhanced security, this hardwire kit is a great choice. What people say. It works on both 12V and 24V systems, includes fuse taps for various types, and has a voltage protection feature. The kit is good quality as my dash cam runs 24/7 with no hiccups now. It works seamlessly with a variety of dash cams, GPS devices, and even radar detectors. Number 3. NUNET 15 feet hardwire kit for dash cams. This hardwire kit is designed to work with almost all dash cams and car chargers. It comes with adapters for micro to mini and micro to Type-C ports, ensuring that it fits your device. You can use it with brands like NUCAM DL, Rexing, and more. The kit includes various fuse types, such as low-profile mini, ATO, and micro 2. It also has both left and right-handed mini USB adapters. This ensures that it can be installed in most vehicles. With a total length of 15 feet, this hardwire kit provides ample length for installation in any vehicle. The input cable is 3 feet long, and the output cable is 12 feet long, giving you flexibility during setup. The kit protects your car battery with an updated cutoff voltage of 11.9 V. This feature prevents the battery from draining below a critical level. It's also suitable for 24V systems, and it is recommended to use parking mode for your dash cam. Installing this hardwire kit is simple and can be done without professional help. If you have any questions, our customer service team is ready to assist you. The installation is clean and straightforward. Enjoy peace of mind with a 1-year free service warranty for any issues you may encounter. We stand behind our product and are here to support you. What we like. This kit is designed to fit almost all dash cams with its multiple adapters. It has a battery drain protection system to prevent your car battery from being drained. If you value flexibility and ease of installation, this hardwire kit is perfect for you. What people say. This unit kept my camera running non-stop until the battery protection was triggered, which I have to say worked every time, and my car was able to start even in the coldest weather, so you can trust that feature. Its simple design did exactly what I was wanting, and that was to hardwire my dash cam and hide the wires. There are so many different pieces to allow for flexibility in nearly every fuse box out there. Number 2. IIWEY Dash Cam Hardwire Kit. This hardwire kit works with most dash cams. It features both mini and micro USB ports, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of devices. It's a versatile solution for your car's camera needs. The kit includes a voltage sensing switch. It monitors your car battery and cuts power when the voltage drops below 11.6 V. This helps to prevent battery drain and ensures your car can start. Keep your dash cam running even when the engine is off. This kit enables the parking monitor function, providing continuous protection for your vehicle around the clock. It ensures you have peace of mind. Worried about radio interference? This kit includes a shielding magnetic ring to solve the problem. It minimizes interference, ensuring a clear radio signal in your car. Everything you need is included in the package. It comes with a 4-meter cable, installation tools, and wire connectors for easy and secure setup. Detailed instructions are also provided to guide you through the process. What we like. This kit offers wide compatibility with both mini and micro USB ports. It ensures 24-hour power on, enabling parking mode for your dash cam. If you want to ensure your dash cam is always recording, even when parked, this is a great choice. What people say. The kit is easy to install. The hardwire kit works perfectly with my Rexing dash cam. It was easy to install and worked perfectly. Number 1. PRUVEEO HWK08 Smart Hardwire Kit. Introducing the PRUVEEO Smart Hardwire Kit. It features a digital display that shows the voltage and current, so you can easily monitor your vehicle's power usage. With this kit, your dash cam starts recording automatically when the vehicle is turned on. If your dash cam has parking mode, it will switch to time-lapse or continuous recording. The built-in low voltage protection prevents your car battery from draining. If the voltage drops too low, it will cut off power to save enough charge for the next start. The kit includes everything you need for easy installation, including fuse tap cables and adapters. It's designed for both mini USB and Type-C dash cams. This hardwire kit provides a dedicated power supply for your dash cam. It converts your vehicle's 12V, 30V power to the 5V3A needed by the dash cam. What we like. This kit features adjustable low voltage protection and a digital smart display. It includes a mini USB to Type-C adapter for broader compatibility. If you want to monitor your car's power usage and need a versatile hardwire kit, consider this. What people say. Installation was very easy. Works perfect. Now my dashcam can record any time of the day even if the car is off. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.